28 February 2022. Toyota, the global pioneer of the just-in-time manufacturing strategy, was just too late. 14 factories across Japan went dark, and the world's largest automaker stopped. All because of one supplier's network, which fell afoul of a single ransomware breach. Reports say the credentials stolen from an employee at Kojima Industries, one of Toyota's key suppliers of plastic parts, opened the back door to maintenance access. The ransomware payload spread like poison. In hours, the infection locked systems. Toyota's empire froze and the production of 13,000 vehicles screeched to a halt. The estimated cost? $30 million. BlastWave would have prevented all of this. Our unique combination of network cloaking, passwordless MFA, and microsegmentation makes your OT network invisible, stolen credentials meaningless, and lateral movement impossible. Hackers can't attack or exploit what they can't see or access. Learn how BlastWave could have prevented this and 22 other hacks in our new Hackopedia, Volume 1, available now. For manufacturing OT network cybersecurity, just in time is not soon enough.